What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be showing you how you can make some sort of like lounge chair. You do need advanced placing for this build. So first you go to decorate, you go into this I'm pretty sure it's this comfort spot. Yeah, it is. Okay. And then you can take this simple armchair. You place the simple armchair down, and then you take this relaxed sun chair and then put it in like that. I mean, I don't know if you need advanced placing for it, but I'm pretty sure you do. I have it, as you can tell. So then you can color it, and color it like the same color so they like fit together. I'm gonna color mine white and dark top, and then when I go back here I color pretty much the same thing. The pillow doesn't matter because pillow doesn't show. Now let me go and search the sand. Oops. Sand. And then yeah. Okay, so now you have this lounge chair, and make sure that when you sit that you actually sit like on this relaxing sun chair so it looks more like that. And yeah, I'm also going to show you how you can like make, I guess, kind of like your own custom long sofa. So yeah, you need that, and then you're going to decorate. You go into comfort again, and you take this simple sofa, not the simple armchair, but the simple sofa, delete your the simple armchair, and you put the simple sofa between here like that again, and then you wanna put the same thing down here like that, and you also want to color it like how you colored it before. Yeah, look at that. So then now you kind of have like a long armchair thingy. You can like lounge, and yeah. Okay, thank you for taking time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smack that like button, even if you found it dumb, silly, interesting. And make sure you hit the subscribe button for more future videos. Bye.